What's good people? A lot of people been wondering, I guess, what I'm up to now since the studio closed. I figured I'd do a little quick video and kind of fill y'all in on what's going on. Well, hey, the studio closed down, shut down. I've been doing it for 20 plus years. Got a chance to work with a lot of great artists. Definitely thankful for that. But it just kind of ran its course, like a lot of things in life. So it was really time to just kind of move on and just do something different. I was really tired of just trading, how would I put it, hours of my day for dollars. So even though I did make 70 an hour, that was the most I charged at the studio, but still, it's only so many hours in a day. So I have to trade, hours for dollars. So I decided, it was a lot of spiritual things started happening. I started getting a lot of prophetic things that would happen to where people would come in the studio and I would have certain messages for them, but a lot of stuff started happening for me as well. So something came about to where, I knew that it was time to, move over into a new phase in life, let the studio go and start doing something where I can make more money without having to use a lot of my time. So, something told me to kind of move into the digital product space, do some digital intellectual property. So the first thing that I came across is this product called Ultimate Branding Course. I don't know if any of you guys got a chance to check it out, but anyway, it looked pretty promising. A little bit about the course is $4.99 to purchase it, but then it shows you how to actually brand yourself. So it shows you how to do things like on TikTok, Instagram, et cetera, how to edit your videos, how to set up your actual store, and then actually how to brand yourself. So I know a lot of artists need this particular, need to know how to brand themselves. So I've been telling a lot of y'all that in the studio day after day, like, look, don't get me wrong, some of y'all are afraid to be behind the camera, and it does take some work. I'm here behind the camera now, just trying to talk to y'all to the best of my ability. But with this course, it shows you how to actually brand yourself, how to, record yourself, do content, post content, set up a store, make some money doing that. And then the good thing about this course is, which made me actually go forward, is the fact that they have this thing called MRR, which is master resale rights. So what you can do is, once you purchase the course, it does have all of that training stuff in there. Man, they got over 220 plus videos in there, over 24 plus hours of content, to where you're actually able to go in, learn how to do digital products. If you want to make your own, you're able to do that. Or this course is already a product within itself. So back to master resale rights. What this is you have the right to actually sell the course to anybody else you want to sell it to. So the price is $4.99, but then after you purchase it, you have all of the ability to be able to learn how to brand yourself, get more views, start pulling in some more money. But with the master resale rights, you're actually able to resell the course to anybody else you want to sell it to for $4.99. At least have to be $4.99, so $4.99 or up. If you want to sell it for $1,000, $2,000, whatever you can, but most people are selling it for $4.99. So anyway, long story long, I ended up setting up my store, man. My mom, she had a knee surgery Tuesday. What's today? But Tuesday she had knee surgery. So as I was waiting on her to get the surgery done, I was in a waiting room, and as I was there, I was actually going through the course, and it teaches you step by step on how to create the store, whether you do it on your phone or the computer. So what I was doing was actually going through each of the different modules, which I only had to do 2 modules, man. They got a gazillion modules on there, but by the end of the second module, 20-something% into the second module, I was able to actually have my store put together. So I did all of that on my phone, pretty much 95 to 97% of the work I did it on my phone. Had my store set up and made my purchase exactly the same day. So once I set my store up, I end up sending that link to an artist that I know that actually heard me, mentioning this course, and I wasn't even trying to sell them. And he was like, okay, hey, can I purchase it now? And I'm like, man, give me a little time. My store ain't even set up yet. So I was like, man, please give me until tomorrow. So while I was there waiting on Mom's, man, I put all that together on my phone, just had my little phone here doing my thing. And it ain't even no iPhone. I ain't team my phone. I'm team Android for now. But anyway, on this little Galaxy here, I put it together. I did make it home, and I did make a couple adjustments on the computer, which I didn't even realize I didn't have to do it on there. I just could have did it specifically on the phone. But anyway, made my sale the first day that I actually posted it up. So now I'm doing this video for y'all because I've been looking for things for a while to actually be able to help artists with being able to make money. Because one of the things that was really one of the setbacks with doing this work with recording a lot of y'all and working with y'all is the fact that, you know, y'all coming in spending a lot of y'all money with me, but y'all actually wasn't making any money. So then that was an issue too. You know, I did offer some suggestions to some of y'all like, hey, look, this is how you brand yourself. Hey, do this type of video or get yourself on TikTok. Some of y'all was like, hey, I don't know how to do TikTok. I don't know where to start with doing any of that or making any content. So a lot of y'all had that little resistance there with doing that. So it kind of was a little issue with the fact that I was seeing y'all spending a lot of money with me. Y'all was getting good work done and I did we did a lot of good songs together. But the thing was, y'all, kind of spinning your wheels, doing song after song and not really actually getting the stuff out or getting yourself branded like you need to. So I did some prayer and after a lot of meditation and prayer, I ended up running across this particular product here. Now I will be making my own products in the future, but this is what I started out with, man. This is my only means of income now. After I quit the studio, like I said, full business for 20 plus years. A lot of y'all know that, and I don't want to make this video too long. I think we're about 6 minutes in. But anyway, if it sounds like something that might be, interesting to you, that you might want to take a look at, then I'll post a link on this actual page here or email or whatever you see this on. But I wanted to, show it to y'all. It seems very interesting. The lady that I seen do it, I think her name is like Faceless Girl or something on YouTube. Because with this actual digital product, they show you how to actually set up a faceless page. So if you want to do a faceless page to where you don't even show your face on there, you can still create that and start posting and start making some money that way and even pitching the course that way. But the course is already done. So all you have to do is get your store together. I signed up for Stan's store. They show you how to sign or set all of that up. It's 14 days free for the store, so I ain't even have to pay any money for the store yet, and I already done made my $4.99 back. So I want to, kind of let y'all know about this because I feel like it'd be a good opportunity for a lot of y'all. By being an artist, I know you have a budget to where you need to have a budget or trying to develop a budget to be able to pay for your artistry, pay for your projects, pay for recording videos or whatever. But with this particular course here, each time you sell it, it's $4.99 each time. So back to that girl that I ended up seeing on YouTube, I ended up running across her page. She had a video talking about how she made $1,000 the first week, and then she made like $10,000 the following month. So I got on a one-on-one call with her and paid her for that, just to get some info from her, and then actually to make sure she was being real with what she was doing. But she actually has a job that she does. She works customer service at home. So while she was doing that job, she started this business on the side. She ended up selling 2 copies of the course her first week doing it. She said the first copy that she sold, she actually was at work and she seen the notification from the Stan store come through her phone saying that she had a purchase, and she said she started crying. And then I think that was April of this year. She said in May she started making $10,000 a month. In April, and then she said every month after that she actually been making more than she make at her job. She's debating on actually quitting her job now. But anyway, I think she holding on to the job but still got this supplemental income that pays her more than her job. With somebody like me, I didn't quit a business that I've been doing for 20 years. So now I'm out here just, hey, I'm gonna make 6 figures, 7 figures plus from my room, a little corner of the room that I got. A lot of that equipment, some of the stuff is in storage. I sold a lot of it. And then I just kept a little few items I need, which is, a computer, camera, headphones, a light. And matter of fact, this camera right here, I just got this and I'm talking to y'all on now. But anyway, if it sounds like something that's interesting to y'all, to where y'all feel like would be a good thing to actually make some extra money in, I would say click the link. Should be another video on there to kind of explain things more with one of the ladies that started the course. But it's dope because it's like, I had never heard of anything called master resale rights. So you can actually purchase this course. Say you don't want to sell it. You just want to learn how to brand yourself as an artist or brand yourself as a person on social media. That's the value within itself. I done paid, man, tens of thousands of dollars on courses. I just did some therapy training in Cali and I spent $10,000 for that. I spent over $1,000 for training because, around the little COVID time, then, for flights, I'm sorry. I spent like over $1,000 for a flight, around COVID time. It kind of got weird with the flights. So I paid for that. With that, I had to spend like another, $2,000 to stay there, over however much money I spent to eat. But with this course here, it's something that's online. You can go through it at your own time, your own leisure. And then you'll learn how to make some money and how to brand yourself and get more views. And that's real important as an artist. And a lot of us, we've been talking in the studio about this, and I'm glad to have something or come across something that might be able to help y'all out. But I'm doing it now, so if you feel like you might be interested in it, click the link. If not, you can watch me do it and see where I sell with it. But I say go on, jump on, because I think they might have 40 or so thousand members in the actual group now. So it's kind of freshly started. They actually have a big call coming up on Sunday. They got some new modules that they're rolling out here Sunday as well. So they got a lot of major things that's happening. So you kind of be on the ground floor with it. Seems like something else I want to mention along with it. But pretty much that was mainly most of it. But anyway, if you're interested, feel free to click the link. And then if y'all got some questions, man, email me. But, go through the stuff. I'm trying to chill out and enjoy my time more nowadays. So if it is some questions, send me there's something that's serious, hit me up. But otherwise, you can find information how you need to find it. You'll see the page and you'll be able to see the stuff with that. And man, if you sign up, man, let's have some fun, get some money. Good luck on everything y'all got going on, man. Again, I appreciate y'all for all of y'all business over the years. Appreciate you for spending this time on the video. I know it's about 11 minutes we into over here, but hey, you see I'm outside now. I'm able to chill. Get little notifications coming through from things that, I got going on, and able to chill a lot more without a whole lot of extreme amount of calls and texts. And then in the middle of the day where some people are having to work right now, I'm out here in the beautiful sunshine, man. But y'all stay blessed. Do what your heart tells you to do. My heart was pulling on me and God was pulling on me to make a change and move into a new phase of my life. And sometimes, it takes, some courage to step out, and then, it takes, big risk, big reward. One more thing though, I was looking at, what was it? I was looking at one of those financial websites. It's one of the popular ones. I can't think of the name of it. But anyway, they was mentioning how by 2030, it's going to be maybe trillions, maybe 5.6 or so trillion in digital marketing is going to happen. So a lot of people will get in this field. There's going to be a lot of money made. There's already trillions is being made with digital marketing now. And as you know, a lot of people are mainly on social media. That's where people buy a lot of their stuff, whether it's TikTok shop or whatever the stuff they do. I'm buying stuff off of there when I see stuff. Some stuff I don't need, some stuff I need. But anyway, y'all need more information, man. Y'all click the link. Much love. Enjoy y'all day. Stay blessed. Bless somebody else. Bless yourself first. Peace.